Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Finance and Crypto Guide. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can log into your Movement Mortgage account. Keep watching the video till the end. To log into your Movement Mortgage account, firstly go ahead and launch open your web browser. On the search box at the top, type in apply.movement.com and make a search. You will end up on the login page of Movement Mortgage account. Now to log into your account, enter your email address and password associated with your Movement Mortgage account and tap on sign in. This is how you can log into your Movement Mortgage account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.